TFNN. Headline News Update.
I'm Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN, 1 p.m. Eastern Time on Monday. 3 hours left to go in the trading day, and quite a market to the upside right now. Dow Jones Industrial Average up 792 points, trading at 26,201. S&P's positive by 83, trading at 3,037. The S&P's, though, as far as how far we are off the lows, we were trading at 29.03. We're trading now at 3,037. You're talking about more than 130 S&P points. That's about 4.5% off of the lows. S&P's positive by about 2.8%. NASDAQ up 244 points, trading at 88.12. That's 2.8% in the green. Even the Russell 2000 up 19 points or 1.3%. We'll start things off. We'll start it off with a chart of the S&Ps. You back things up to Friday, middle of the day. 28.53, the price of those S&Ps. We trade higher into the close on Friday. Then we opened last night in the futures at a low of, as I mentioned, that low actually 28.89. So even lower than where we're trading right now. Remarkable. We're approaching 150. I'll get there. 150 S&P points from that low. There's your 29.03 low. We're trading up more than 130 points from that level. Pretty remarkable moves across the board. Checking in on the VIX as the volatility continues. The VIX pulling back as the market charges ahead. 33.29 in the price of the volatility index. Jumping over to the charts, we'll start things off with the indices. We'll start it off with the Dow 30. Excuse me. There's your acceleration. Up more than 1,100 points, up almost 1,200 points from where we were trading at 7 a.m., 26,192. So you were down about 500. Excuse me. Yes, you were down about 500. You're now up 700 or 800. NASDAQ 100, I have to stumble over the numbers. They catch me every time. They're just so large. 87.23. The lows at 7 a.m., 83.67. You're approaching 400 NASDAQ 100 points from that level. S&P's recovered right up there near the highs, 3,033. Crude oil catching a bit as well. From last night, we had a 43 handle. We now have a 47 handle in crude. Gold contract trading at 15.98, and the euro-US dollar continuing to climb. Euro at 111.83. In terms of what else you have happening out there, quite the story with the yields reaching a low of 1.04%. But as that number has come, we now see a yield of 1.09%. We actually hit a 1.03. Check out that headline. Not quite at 1%. We'll see how that fares if the market charges higher. Stay tuned, folks. Steve Rhodes coming up live at 1 o'clock. We'll be right back.